Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your JBL Live Pro 2 earbuds with any Android phone. So to do this, you have to open this charging case and remove both earbuds. You have to take a look for this small indicators on the left and the right marking, and when it starts blinking like that, just wait a little bit. As you can see right now, it is blinking quickly, so it means that we are in the pairing mode, and we have to just open the Bluetooth on our device. We have to select JBL Live Pro 2, accept the pairing. We are right now successfully connected, and also on our device we have to download this application, the JBL headphones, this one, and then you have to just open it. And when you are successfully connected by the standard Bluetooth settings, you can already find them in this application. So as you can see, that's basically it. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.